Yes. The second dialysis process is known as continuous ambulatory, very nice, peritoneal dialysis. Continuous amplifying peritoneal dialysis is known as the second method of the first one is it is a continuous ambulatory peritoneal dialysis is the second, very very important, the second method or the second process of the dialysis, second method or process of dialysis. Okay, clear? The dialysis, there is a not need, there is no need, nothing but not need for hospitalization, the not need for the hospitalization. Okay, in this method, which is a continuous ambulatory peritoneal method, in this method they are using which one? The doctors are prefer, they're using one of the device. The device is known as the device is called as a catheter device. They are which one? The doctors are inserted patient's body who are effects for the dialysis, who are effect from the kidney failure, those individuals. So that doctors are prescribed one of the device. The device is known as a catheter device. Doctors are prescribed one of the device is known as a catheter device. So what is the catheter device? Is one of the peritoneal dialysis device. Peritoneal what is the dialysis device is known as a catheter device. So this device is inserted by this, which one? The catheter device. The catheter device is inserted by the doctors. It is inserted by the doctors into patient's body, In which region? Insert into the patient body in which region? The patient body nothing. By the surgical process. So they inserting into patient's body by their surgical process. So the body containing hemocoelom, nothing but coelomic cavity. The coelomic cavity, the body distinguished into what is that? Coelomic cavity and body wall. So the device is directly inserted into coelomic cavity by the using of which one? Surgical method. Let's see the what is that diagram. So body of the human beings. This is known as a body wall. It's known as a body wall. And this one is known as a cavity, coelomic cavity. Which cavity? Coelomic cavity. So the device is directly inserting into coelomic cavity by using one of the method which is known as surgical method. So the device is directly inserted into coelomic cavity. When this body cavity consists of more number of the blood vessel and blood capillaries are there. Which one? The body cavity, the body wall containing more amount of the blood vessels are there, and along with the blood capillaries, the more amount of the blood vessels and blood capillaries are there in body wall region. Are you clear? So this cavity is completely empty cavity is there. Completely empty cavity is there. So this empty cavity, the doctors are by surgically, these are inserted. Which one? The device This is inserting of the device into which region? The cavity region, the body cavity region. The inserting of the device into body cavity region. So this device is called as a catheter. The device is called catheter. The device comes from the outside of the body to inner coelomic region. Out to inner coelomic region. What is that? From the outside of the body, nothing but surface of the body to inner coelomic region. Inner coelomic region. Clear? The coelom is completely empty space. There is no, what is that? There is no fluids are there. Completely empty. So that is called as a catheter. The device is called as a catheter. The device have one of the chamber, the anterior region, the starting of the device containing one of the chamber. The chamber is completely closed with one of the plug or flap. Closed with one of the plug or flap. When they are need dialysis, which one the patients need dialysis process, so the doctor prescribed a suitable dialysate. A suitable dialysate. Which one? The patient need dialysis. Okay. So they are inserting into body. They are inserting into which one? The catheter inserting into the body. So there is no need hospitalization. So it is completely covered with our clothes. No need worry. So these are completely inserted into their patient body. So when the patient need which one? The dialysis process. So they when the doctor was give what is that? A suitable, what is the dialysate? Suitable dialysate. They need dialysis. Need dialysis. When the doctor prescribed which one? What is that? Suitable. Sorry. Dialysate. Suitable dialysate. Doctor prescribed suitable dialysate. So next, the dialysate is directly inserting into the first chamber. The packet of dialysate. The packet of dialysates are inserting. The packets of dialysates are inserting into which one? First chamber of the catheter. First chamber of the catheter. First chamber of the catheter. So the dialysate consistent of same equal quantity, equal, what is that? Equal pH of the blood. Equal pH of the blood. Same equal iso, what is that? Iso pH. Nothing but same equal quantity of the blood pH. So this catheter, when the plug is open, the what is that? The dialysate is directly enters into the which region? So the dialysate is directly leads into which region? What is that? Body cavity. Body cavity, nothing but coelom. Coelom, what is that? The first one when it inserting of dialysate. So the dialysate is directly enters into the cavity region. The cavity region. So the blood vessels are carries what is that? Excess amount of the nitrogenous and urea. So this urea and nitrogenous and what is that? Remaining of the hippuric acid. What are they? What is creatine? Those are there in the blood vessels. But the dialysate, there is no nitrogenous vestiges. There is no nitrogenous vestige, but there is the same composition. It is the same composition of the blood. It is the same composition of the blood, but there is no what is that? Excretory product, nothing but nitrogenous vestiges. But these, which one is what is the body cavity? When the action loss will occur, so the blood containing more amount of the nitrogenous vestiges, the nitrogenous vestiges are directly dissolved into dialysate through the blood vessel. That is known as a diffusion method. Which method? Through the diffusion method. From the high pressure to low pressure. High pressure to low pressure. High concentration to low concentration. There is a urea was high concentration. There is no urea. So there is a low concentration of the urea. There is a high concentration of the urea. So what is that? The uric acid, the nitrogenous vestiges are directly dissolved into dialysate. The dialysate consistent of the more amount of the urea for their diffusion method. These are transformed from the blood vessel to dialysate region. So after 4 to 5 hours, so this the huge amount of the urea and uric acid was directly enters into the human coelomic cavity region. Human coelomic cavity region. When the coelomic cavity is filled with what are the excess amount of the urea, uric acid, and remaining of the nitrogenous wastages. So these nitrogenous wastages and urea and nitrogenous wastages, urea, uric acid, both are collecting and recollecting through the device, recollecting through the catheter device and collecting and filling in this packet. So these are directly removing from the catheter and outside of the body. So this is known as what is that continuous ambulatory peritoneal device. Let's discuss it once again. Continuous ambulatory peritoneal disease is nothing, dialysis is nothing but it is one of the second method. It is one of the second method of the what is the dialysis process. There is not need for the hospitalization. There is not need for the hospitalization. So the doctors are who are primarily nothing but the improper function of the nephrons, not inserting of the catheter into their body coelom. So by the surgical method, from their inserting from the outside of the body to coelomic cavity, So the body wall containing more number of the blood vessel and blood capillaries are there. So what is the important? The blood vessel and blood capillaries are carries what is that gases and along with some kind of food molecules and excretory products also. So these are passing from near of the visceral region are nothing but body wall, body cavity. So the blood vessels are containing more number of the nitrogenous wastages, but this catheter have very less amount of the nitrogenous, nothing but there is absence of nitrogenous wastages. So this is known as a catheter dialysate. This is called as a dialysate. So the dialysate is prescribed by the doctor, but based on their HLA, hemolymphocyte antigen, depends on hemolymphocyte antigen. The doctors are prescribed this type of dialysate. Doctors are prescribed different type of dialysates, but they're based on their body composition or blood composition. So they are prescribed one of the dialysate. So the dialysate was inserting into the catheter region. So the catheter to the fluid is directly leads into which region? Body cavity, nothing but coelomic region. The coelomic region, huge amount of nothing but what is that? Which one? The dialysate was there, but the body wall is continuous flowing of the blood. The continuous flowing of the blood containing huge amount of the urea and nothing but nitrogenous wastages are there. But there is completely absence of nitrogenous wastages. So the concentration was there, the high concentration was create some blood vessel region. So there is a very low concentration. In body wall there is a high concentration. The coelomic cavity there is a very low concentration. So these comes from the high concentration to the nitrogenous wastages are directly dissolved into which region? Hemocoelomic cavity, body coelomic cavity through the diffusion method. So this is a continuous process to collecting of nitrogenous wastage. So that is called as a continuous ambulatory peritoneal dialysis. So this continuous process, nothing but is complete within 4 to 5 hours. This process will be continually 4 to 5 hours. So after the 4 to 5 hours, so this fluid and along with the nitrogenous wastes are also recollected by the catheter. After the 4 to 5 hours, this mechanism, so the catheter device is directly collecting nitrogenous wastes from their body. Which body? Who are affected from the kidney failure. So the body to which one the excess amount of the nitrogenous wastes are collecting into directly leads into the dialysate packet. So the dialysate packet is directly removing and releasing through the outside of the catheter. So this is one of the second method of the dialysis. So what is the importance? So next one, first, this is a no need hospitalization. First one, uses. There is no need hospitalization. There is no need hospitalization. Very less. What is that? Very less in size. The device is very less in size. Nothing but the device is very less in size. Okay. So there is a very less in size. The need only 4 to 5 hours. Only 4 to 5. This is the uses. Okay. Next, what is the difference in between of the hemodialysis and peritoneal dialysis? Are you clear? The hemodialysis, there is no need of hospitalization. It is a very compact and very simple device are inserting into our body. So there is no problem at all for the dialysis process. So there is a complete within the process completing within 4 to 5 hours. Okay. The 4 to 5 hours requirement from their what is the function of the nephron. So this time will be prescribed by the doctor. So the what is that the nephrons are not doing a proper way to filtration, not proper way to filtration of the excretory product. So they are prescribed 4 to 5 hours. The adjustment of the catheter timing up to 4 to 5 hours. So next one, what is the difference between what is the peritoneal and hemodialysate? What is the difference? And uses and what is that importance? There is no membranes are there, but completely they are collecting by the diffusion method. First one, hemodialysis. Hemodialysis, difference in between the hemodialysis and peritoneal dialysis. Hemodialysis and peritoneal dialysis. Let's see the hemodialysis. The hemodialysis is need hospitalization. It's need hospitalization. It is need hospitalization. So there is no need for the hospitalization. No need for hospitalization. No need for the hospitalization. It is a very large device. It is very compact device, small device. It is a very large device. It is a very large device. It is very compact and a small device. It is collecting nitrogenous wastages from the what is arteries to what is that arteries to what is that what is cellophane membranes. Collecting nitrogen wastages from cellophane membrane. So these are direct diffusion method. It is that it is complete. The process, the dialysis process is complete approximately 4 to 6 hours. It is 4 hours. Approximately 4 to 6 hours. There is a 4 to 5 hours or 4 hours. The very large device, it is a small device, is the collecting of nitrogen from the cellophane membrane. It is a diffusion method. And next one, it is elimination, nothing but collecting of which one? The hemodialysis collecting complete nitrogenous wastages. Collecting complete means complete nitrogenous wastages from bloodstream or body. So these are collecting nitrogen wastages, are partially collecting. The remaining of the nitrogenous wastages are there in their patient bloodstream. Partially collecting nitrogenous wastages. There is a less infection chances to the patient. Very less. Sometime no. Sometime means majority of them no infections to the patient. From you who are using this device, there is no infections of the renal kidneys region, but more chances to infection. But because the patients are inserting of the what is that dialysate without any what is that using any proper what is the preservative methods, or what is that? So the infection will be enters into the coelomic cavity. So the microbes are enters into the coelomic cavity. So this is the difference in between the hemodialysis and peritoneal dialysis. Next one, the causing of kidney failure, and next one, what is the kidney transplantation. Are you clear? Okay, the more chances to what is infection, there is no what is that, they are forgetting from the sterilization of the packets, the sterilization of the packets and devices. So this is more chances to infection of the that human beings, that individuals, the patients. There is no sterilization, but the machine is always sterilized by the doctor. What is that? What is the workers?